So I have this very old video that is still getting views from time to time, but now what we can do is create a YouTube short out of this video. And here is my YouTube short that I created out of it. Notice how over here there's a created from Kevin Chi button. Not that obvious, but it is still a button. And when I tap on it, it brings me directly to my old video. That's not even the best part. The best part is this YouTube short I made isn't even created from my long form video. It is actually a compilation of all the best parts of the video, making this YouTube short feels way more engaging. Hey, what's up? Now, I recently tried this YouTube short feature where I managed to create a little short out of my long form video, but what YouTube did was they added a link in that short video that leads the viewer to watch my full long form video. I thought that was pretty smart because there's actually incentive in creating YouTube shorts now that it can help grow my long form videos. Previously, there's always been this separation between short and long form videos, but now YouTube is working really hard in bringing those two closer and closer together until they are no longer distinct. And now I don't see any reason why I shouldn't start doing YouTube shorts. Instead, I have more reasons to do it than to not do it. I'll tell you more why YouTube Shorts makes a lot more sense, but first, let me share with you a little trick I did to make creating YouTube Shorts a lot easier. So as I've previously shown to you, my YouTube Shorts are a little bit different. It is sort of like a collection of different parts of my original video, and that's something I did deliberately. I always see YouTube Shorts as a preview to my long form video, like a movie trailer where you sort of pick the best bits and pieces of the movie to make the viewer interested and want to watch the full movie itself. And that's exactly what I want to do. If I were to create a YouTube Shorts video, I don't want to just take snippets of my long form video, create the short, upload it, then call it a day. I want to make it fast paced and collect the best parts of the video and put them all under 1 minute. But turns out YouTube isn't capable of doing that. So to get started, here is my original long form video, and if I'm the owner of this video, I can tap on remix, then there will be a edit into a short option. Creating your short using this option is what links the short to your long form video. This is what it looks like as soon as I click on edit into a short. Here I can tap to create a 15 seconds or 16 seconds short just by tapping the number here like this. So say I want to make a 60 seconds long video, and what YouTube wants me to do now is to select the portion of my video that I want to turn into a short. A few problems here. First, I have to select a portion of my video, meaning I cannot cut my video and select the best pieces, then stitch them all together. Second, doing this on the phone is so ridiculously annoying. There is a huge problem with the user interface here. It is hard to drag, it is hard to adjust, it is just dumb. But anyways, say I want this part here, so I tap on next and now my video is cut. But here, I have to tap on the back button instead of next button, because if I tap on next, YouTube thinks I'm done with this short. However, if I tap on back, I'm back to adding more footage, and I can select a custom video to add onto it. And here's a little neat trick I found. I can actually add a custom video from here to complete the YouTube short and make it 60 seconds long, even though I did not cut that much from my original long form video. So just by knowing this, I can create a custom YouTube short beforehand, put that video on my phone, and then add that in when creating my YouTube short using the YouTube app, thus giving me a preview of my long form video. And that is exactly how I did it for my YouTube short. I first fire up my Adobe Premiere Pro and I create my short from there with all the editing, especially adding subtitles. I find that to be very important in YouTube short. But I chose to add my subtitles here instead of doing it on the YouTube app itself because it is way easier and way quicker to do it from here instead of from the YouTube app. I'll show you why in a second. But anyways, once I'm done with all this, I'll export it and I'll send this file to my phone so that I can use it later. Now, back to the app. Look, I don't even know how to explain it, so I'm just going to show you how long it takes to add subtitles for just the first 4 seconds of the video. So I speed up the video by 2 times because it takes way too long. But feel free to watch it at a slower speed if you want to count how long it actually took. As for me, I'm just going to say it takes too much time just to do 4 seconds of subtitles, mainly because the user interface to add subtitles is so bad and so unintuitive. Honestly, it makes me feel like I don't want to do YouTube Shorts anymore. Maybe I'm doing it wrong, I don't know, but right now, I hate the user experience. So that's why I did all of my subtitles in Adobe Premiere Pro, where I can complete my subtitles much easier and quicker and not cause me to lose my hair. Alright, now that you know how to add subtitles and you know how to create that custom video and you know how to create the shorts from your long form video, let's me quickly go through with you how you can create a YouTube short that looks like a preview of your long form video and links back to your original video. First, you bring up your long form video in your YouTube app, tap on Remix, and then tap on Edit into a short. Next, you select just a few seconds in your video that acts as a starting point for your YouTube shorts. This is very important. You must select something here or the link to your original video will not appear. One trick I use here is to look at my project in Adobe Premiere Pro and I determine my starting point from here. So say the first 4 seconds is my starting point. I will then look for that clip in my YouTube app, make it to just 4 seconds and then cut it. So anyways, once you're done with it, you hit the back button, not next, and here you can append your custom video to that clip. If your video is set to 15 seconds, now is the time to change it to 16 seconds long. And once you add your custom video, you'll want to cut out the starting point if you have it, because you have that already when cutting the clip. Hit done and now you have a complete short that looks like a preview. So really, the trick here is to add a clip from your long form video as a starting point, then append your custom video to it, making it look like one seamless YouTube short. The whole point of adding that clip at the start is so that YouTube knows it is part of the original video. If you were to remove that and replace it with a full 60 seconds custom video, the link to your original video will not appear. Believe me, I tried that. So anyways, I think now is the right time to start working on shorts. Now that YouTube Shorts monetization is happening next year in February, there's more reason to prepare your YouTube Shorts. And YouTube has been working hard in separating long form and short form video as well. They have added tabs specifically for shorts, which I think is really good because it was so ugly when they combined short and long form videos under one tab. But this goes to show YouTube is not favoring shorts alone. They are doing a lot of things to make YouTube the platform for both long and short form videos. And the best we can do right now is to take advantage of it whilst it is still new before it becomes saturated. I'm definitely going to do my YouTube Shorts like this considering how many videos I have. I think this is pretty exciting. Anyways, that's my 2 cents. Hope you like this one and I'll see you in the next one.